So you want to learn to code. Good, do it. Start. The most important thing is learn the fundamentals and basics, which apply to any language you decide to learn. Don't get too bogged down on picking a language, just pick one. Pick one that does what you want it to do, or is the easiest in applying whatever application you want to use it for. Like, obviously, if you're doing web development, maybe JavaScript. If you're doing machine learning, maybe Python. It's an easy place to start. If you're getting into big enterprise business kind of stuff, maybe Java. You know, there's a lot of different languages. It doesn't really matter. You can learn one, switch to another, or use one for another application to an extent. Just figure out what it is you want to do with it. And if it's even coding that you want to do, there's a lot of different jobs outside of just coding. There's UX design, there's HR, management, lots of different things in computer science that doesn't necessarily involve just coding. So my advice is just pick one. There's no point in saying, oh yeah, Python, everyone says Python. Yeah, Python's easy, but like if you're not going to use it for anything, there's no point in learning it if it's not what you want to do. Find one you like and learn that.